No. You say grandpa? That's okay. I mean, who am I talking? Oh yeah. I see that. Six?
Yeah.
Six? Yes.
Was he on the team last year?
Yeah. There you go. That was silky. Don't let Aaron find his stroke. Then you're in trouble. Oh, wow. Nice job. 16. The only reason why he didn't win the state championship is because the middle brother, he would have to, his middle brother was a senior when he was a freshman. Oh, nice. How'd you know they're African immigrant?
What's that name?
Oh, you saw the name.
Yeah. I mean, I hate to rush to judgment. Yes.
Yeah.
Nice defense. Did I win?
Almost.